Here on Heather Holt repair attempt, what we have here is missing shingles right here in this line item, and also there were missing shingles over here, and the felt paper that is actually under the shingles is actually been torn, and it's very porous. You can see the nails right there ripped through the shingles, as seen right here. The nail heads ripped through the shingles. And these are the exposed nails on the wind damaged shingles here. And this would be where I would attempt the repair. As you can see, it's missing the 1, 2, 3 tab here. So as you can see, my lines here, I would need to put a new shingle in above these lines right here, okay? And I'll take some photos of this before picture as well, and see what I can get going with this repair attempt. So this whole row above it would have to come out, and the whole row above that potentially would need to, depending on where the nail heads are driven in at. As you can see, it looks like more shingles tore here, and there was more granular loss located in this area. The thing, whenever you go back with a standard roofing nail, your standard roofing nail is this tall, and once the one layer of shingle would be to that line, then a second layer of shingle to that line, and now there's not enough nail head that's going to hit actually the wood, and that's why double layer roofs are not repairable, because the shingles will just come back out eventually during the next storm. They're not properly installed, and that's the reason why this roof is not repairable, based on the shingles tearing, new granular loss, and also the double layer not adhering to the shingles properly with the felt, which is also a code issue. Not having felt under the shingles is going to have to be all redone. Okay, thank you.